Welcome back to Flowworks. My name's James, and recently I've been watching some videos of people painting with these rollers. I'll put a link in the description below to where I got these, just off of Amazon. And yeah, you can create, well, it looks as though you can create some really good effects with them. I'm going to give it a go, and we're going to see what we can create today on this canvas. And another little tip that I've also been watching is people tend to start off with like a base colour to get some sort of texture and basically something down that adds a bit of depth to the painting. So when I overlay the paint, you can start to create basically depth into your painting. So a lot of artists start off with some burnt umber. So I've got some burnt umber. All right, let's start off. Let's get some of this burnt umber in this tray. Don't really want a lot. It's just literally to add that sort of background texture. We're just going to start off getting that down. Okay, so that looks like a big brown mess. We're going to let that dry and we're going to come back and start painting over the top. Hopefully it will turn out to be something rather special. There's our background all dry. Let's get on with our painting. Let's go. Everything else but you. Yeah, so what it actually does to the colour, it adds sort of a dimension into it, which is really good for abstract. Give this roller a roll. Okay, so first impressions is I notice that you can cover quite an area in one go, which is pretty cool. let this dry, going to come back with a third and final layer to this piece and see what we end up in. Here we are, final stages of this painting, that's dried, really loving this now. And we're going to finish off with some of this blue colour and the roller.
I'm a love giver, searching for glory, I'm a strong winner. Don't mean the ball cause I'm a hard hitter. Only be swimming in the deep river. I'm a love giver, holding on to all the best things in life. I'll be pushing on through every second in the night. I'll be reaching up to every moment in the light. You know I got a reason, I got a mission that excites me.
Sinning is living and I'ma sin it in the right way. Living is winning and I'ma never do it lightly. All the best people never said it would be easy. I'ma make it all happen, I will forever do it my way, my way. I'ma do it my way, my way. I'ma do it my way, my way. I'ma do it.
I'm a love giver, searching for glory, I'm a strong winner. Throw me the ball cause I'm a hard hitter. Only be swimming in the deep river. I'm a love giver, holding on to all the best things in life. I'll be pushing on through every second in the night. I'll be reaching up to every moment in the light. You know I got a reason, I got a mission that excites me.
Sinning is living and I'ma sin it in the right way. Living is winning and I'ma never do it lightly. All the best people never said it would be easy. I'ma make it all happen, I will forever do it my way, my way. I'ma 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 do
Somewhere on the sea, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light crack. Still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain. But it's all too quick with you. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you're the safest bet. Losing my mind, can't find the words, no I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying again. Reason, rhyme, and take our time and choose. Whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please we know, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello. Sometimes funny me. A little bit of gasoline. I burned out, so to speak. Come a little closer. quit your pretending. Truth or false, the shit never ending. Hear me now and stop condescending. You see I'm begging, you hear me begging. If you're sick for love, don't try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to hide it. If there's a way, I wanna know we tried it. Quit your games and now that you denied it. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you deserve respect. Losing my mind, can't find the words, no I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying to get reason, rhyme, and take our time and choose. Whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stick or jello. I got room and make amends, but can't go through the same regret.
There it is, the final piece. All it's left for me to do is sign this. So I've pre-mixed some paint up. So there it is, dead simple, abstract. This was a 3 evening paint, so it's quite a time consuming process. And I was really playing with the colours at the end to try and get that desired effect and look that I really wanted. You can do this at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new to this channel, I document every single piece of art that I create. So over time, I can see if I've improved. Yeah, basically over time. So yeah, give this one a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next week's video.